Case width 45 mm. Lug-to-lug length 50.4 mm. Weight 135 grams. Thickness 13.55 mm. Fitted with a sapphire crystal. Runs on an automatic movement, no battery required. Interchangeable bezels in various colors and materials. Ceramic, carbon fiber, fluororubber, zirconia diamond, stainless steel. Colorful FKM straps available in both pin buckle and upgraded deployment clasp. Snap the bezel into place with a firm push. Attach the strap by clicking it into place. Twist the crown guard upward until it locks. Finally, give the strap a pull to ensure it's secure. To remove the crown guard, press down and twist it downward. The strap comes off just as smoothly. Just press the quick release button. Swapping the bezel is easy. Press both side buttons to release it. Endless combinations. Mix and match freely. Activate Lume by exposing the dial to sunlight or a flashlight for 5 minutes. Water resistant up to 100 meters. Perfect for daily use, whether you're swimming, splashing, or showering. Just avoid prolonged exposure to hot water. Powered by daily wrist motion. Or manually wind the crown. 60 turns provide up to 40 hours of power reserve. For any inquiries, our official support team is always here to help.